I'm Kenneth.
I'm Susan.
And this is our AHS story. We've been with American Home Shield since 1997. We moved to Colorado, signed up with them there, moved back to Texas, signed up again. Now we're completely retired.
We do boating with our golden doodle, Benny. He can do everything except speak English. Having American Home Shield is important when you're retired and on a fixed income. It's a huge peace of mind.
We had an issue with the pipe. I hit the video chat, got a plumber. Showed him the problem through my phone and my camera. We got the part ordered and we were good to go.
Thanksgiving Day, went in to check on the turkey and the oven was dead. Turkey was good. American Home Shield looked into it to see if it was repairable. It wasn't. We got a new oven. American Home Shield, that's the way to go.
To me, American Home Shield is like a family member who can come and fix anything that needs to be fixed. Don't worry.
Be warranty.